Ladies, just because you are the lady, that doesn't mean that you don't get to spoil your man. So I was going through my phone. I'm about to go to sleep sana. But then I realized na, 34,000 na pala yung videos and pictures ko sa cellphone ko. So kailangan ko ang delete. Then I saw the video that I made for Bebo na I never posted. I don't know why. I gave him a special gift last November 5, 2022 for his birthday. Bebo is the type of guy who will never buy anything unless it's broken or hindi na talaga magagamit completely. Still wouldn't buy a new one even though he could. His answer would always be, magagamit ko pa naman. Super hilig ni Bebo mag-take ng pictures and videos. I realized ko na, why don't I get him something na, would make the videos and pictures have better quality. After seeing the video, you would understand why this guy is so precious to me. If I could give him the world, wala siya! If I could give the world to Bebo, I would because he makes me the happiest woman. Enjoy the video.
No.
What? Happy birthday!
Oh,
What?
thank you so much. Oh, God. Like that.
Aww. You're gonna make me cry. You're not opening it. Open it.
For a moment.
Okay, now open it because I'm excited.
It's a surprise. And then didn't see that.
Are you happy?
So happy.
What?
Wow. Beautiful. The color is so nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like, Nay, put open your phone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, mobile card.
We've been getting all of our Apple products from mobile cards.
Literally everything.
Literally everything.
More videos with you.
Yeah.